Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. If do you like our videos, please do subscribe, share and like. So without wasting any time, let's start. Today we will discuss about some easy tips to get good score in examination. The first thing is the correct margin. The picture has been shown in the slide are the correct way to margin. Sometimes we fold the paper and take it as a margin, but it is not a correct way. Always use pencil and ruler to draw this correct margin, which has been shown in the picture. The next one is proper writing of answer. The left side is the wrong pattern of answer. Do not write the question in the answer paper because the question is already there. Always start with the answer. That is the correct thing has been given in the right picture. Okay. Now the correct way to error correction. The left side has been done. The error correction, don't do cut marks or any other marks when you are wrong or when the spelling is wrong, right? But when you have done a silly mistake, then always jot down a straight line to cut this, right? The right picture has been shown in the right side of the slide. Now the correct way to write case laws. In the first portion, that is the correct way to write a case laws. Always write the name Ashby versus White, then underline the name of the petitioner and the respondent, or the plaintiff or the defendant, whether it is we. But never write any other name if you don't remember the exact name of the case law. Please don't write, otherwise you will not get any credit. Next, the handwriting should be legible. In the first slide, that the master shall be reasonable, responsible or something. You cannot read from there. The examiner cannot read, so your marks will be deducted. The next slide is the right one. Always write in a good handwriting in a legible way, whether the examiner can read what you are writing, right? Now some important tips to be kept in mind. The first do's: draw margin with pencil. Always do that. Write answer in a legible handwriting, right? And write only correct case laws and sections. And the last part is write part answer by paragraph breaking. When in the question there is part questions, always write part answer by breaking the paragraph or giving any symbol. And don't fold the answer sheet for the margin. When you are folding the paper in a three-way, it is not a correct way to give the margin. Then don't write answer in an illegible handwriting. When your handwriting is not legible to the examiner, you can't expect good marks from the examiner. Next, don't write incorrect case laws and sections if not sure, as we already given the example and slides. And last one, don't start writing part answer without paragraph break. Thank you.